I have some exciting news. If you have been renting and sitting on the sidelines and hoping one day to purchase your first home, I have something that you've been waiting for. If you've ever said to yourself, I've heard about this first time homebuyer assistance things, but I have no idea where to get any information about like down payment assistance or anything like that, then what I have to say, you should listen. So on Saturday, there will be a HUD first time homebuyer assistance program class that gives you tips on credit. It'll give you tips on how to purchase, and knowledge is power. And it's free. So join us this Saturday and get the information that you need to go from renter to owner.